In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to add your own HTML code to a WordPress site without needing to upload any files or mess with complicated settings. By the end, you'll know how to seamlessly display custom HTML within your WordPress pages, whether you want to insert a newsletter sign-up form, a special widget, or a block of cool interactive content. Let's dive right in because adding a touch of custom HTML can give your site that personal flair, and it's much simpler than you might think. So let's start with the scenario that covers the majority of use cases. Maybe you have some HTML code, like a form or a snippet from an external service, and you want it to appear inside a WordPress page or post, blending in with your site's existing design. You don't need to upload anything or touch theme files for this. Instead, you'll use the custom HTML block. First, open up the page or post where you want your new HTML to appear. This is all done with the familiar WordPress block editor, so if you've added images or paragraphs before, you're right at home. In the editor, look for the little plus button. Usually it's up at the top or between blocks. Give that a click, and in the search bar that pops up, type Custom HTML. This should bring up an option that's literally called Custom HTML. Click it, and you'll see a special box appear where you can paste your HTML code directly. Paste your HTML code in there. Maybe it's an embedded contact form or a special badge. Instantly, WordPress will recognize whatever you've pasted. If you want to check how it looks, use the preview option right there in the block. This lets you make sure everything appears just the way you expect without publishing it for the world to see just yet. It's like a dressing room for your website changes. Take a moment here to tweak or check your code. Sometimes you might spot a small typo or realize you want to make a quick adjustment. And if what you see doesn't look quite right, don't worry. Go back to the HTML and make your changes. You'll see the results update in the preview window. Now, sometimes you want a little more control, or maybe you need to adjust the overall structure of a page, for example, to add classes or custom IDs, or to move things around at a deeper level. In this case, you'll want to access the code editor. Think of this like peeking behind the curtain of your page. To do that, look to the top right of the block editor. You'll see 3 vertical dots like little ellipses. Click on them. In the drop-down menu, find the code editor option and click it. Your page will now switch to a raw HTML view, showing every block as traditional HTML, not just your custom bits. From here, you can edit the underlying HTML of the entire page. But fair warning here, it's easy to break layouts if you're not careful. So take your time, and if you're making bigger changes, consider copying your code somewhere safe before saving. Any HTML you add or adjust here will affect how everything below it appears. So think of this like rearranging the framework of your house versus just hanging a new picture. Once you're happy, save your page and preview it on your live site to double-check. That's it, your custom HTML is now seamlessly part of your WordPress page, with no need to upload separate files or worry about theme updates overriding your changes. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a like, it really helps out. If you run into any issues or if you have follow-up questions about getting custom content onto your WordPress site, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and happy coding.